Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add the message to reveal in Instagram story. So here I've already opened the Instagram apps and you can start by clicking on the plus here on your story or swipe to the right until the Instagram story camera is open. And after that, you can just select a photo as the background. So click on this and choose a photo. After you choosing a background, you can just click on the sticker icon at the top to add the sticker to reveal. Here, click on the frames and here choose a photo that you want to be on the frame. Okay, so I've already choose a photo and here you can add a caption if you want to. This is optional, you can also skip this part. And after that, click on done at the top. You can reposition and readjust the size like this. And after that, you can just upload it to your story. So as an example, I'm going to just upload it to my close friends, and here I'm going to show you how it will look like. So now the story has been uploaded and it will look like this. So my followers need to tap or shake to reveal this photo on the frame. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.